Audrey Benton, and I am the student KMS ambassador for Salon Institute of Toledo, and I'm here to show you my 3 favorite products for a simple, quick, easy styling. KMS has a start, style, finish routine, and what I'm going to start with for her is with the KMS Moist Repair Leave-In Conditioner Spray. So why I chose this product is because she has beautiful curly hair, and during these winter months it is a lot drier, and your hair can be a lot drier in winter months, so I decided to add some additional moisture to her hair. So right now I'm going to blow dry her hair to about 50 or 75%, and then I'm going to start round brushing. Round brush her hair at 75% dry, because when the hair is still wet it is still malleable and it can follow the natural curve of the round brush. I'm going to add the Tame Frizz cream to her hair now that it is 75% dry, so we can combat any frizz while round brushing her hair. So when round brushing, you want to take small sections and just start at the bottom, right on the back right here. I'm not starting at the top, I'm starting at the bottom where it should be almost wet. And since she has short hair, I'm going to use a smaller round brush like this here, so that I can get all of like her, her layers as well as her hair being short. I don't want to use a big round brush because it would be too large for her short hair. I am using the medium temperature just because I don't want to burn her and I don't want to over fry her hair with the blow dryer. So when you're round brushing your hair, it is not curling your hair, it is smoothing your hair and trying to prevent any frizz or any tangles in your hair by smoothing the hair with the round brush. So when you are round brushing your hair and you want to maintain the shape of the round brush, you want to hold the round brush with the hair overlapping the brush for about 10 to 15 seconds so it can cool down and take the shape of that brush. So I'm going to start with the middle of her fringe right here, these middle pieces here, because if I started off to the side, they would just curve to the side and make a weird middle part with a gap in between her fringe here. So now I'm going to be using the KMS working hairspray just to kind of seal this entire shape together. So while she's at work, running errands, or going to the gym, or doing whatever she would like during her day, it'll just help maintain the shape as well as keep her fringe in a nice, perfect spot. So this is the final result of my round brush style out for the busy girl on the go. That should only take 20 minutes from start to finish.